Hi guys, it's Maggie. I'm back with another layout for 30 Days of Sketches. Today is day 10, and this is designed by Laura Moss. So I'm going to start with a messy, splattery background. That's White Picket Fence by Tim Holtz. And the green one I think is, I show it, but I think it's Mint by Heidi Swap, Color Shine. So this is a Freckled Fawn kit. I think it's Freckled Fawn. They call it 6x8 kit. I don't know. I wasn't a huge fan, so I canceled my subscription. I used to subscribe to Freckled Fawn's embellishment kit, and it came in these cute little pouches, and it was like a washi, maybe some paper clips, ribbon, epoxy stickers, things like that, and every month was different, and wood veneers, but they quit doing it, and then they started up with this, so I gave it a shot, and just not a fan. So this is my neighbor's dog, Fletcher, in my pool. He was the first person, he was the first body in our pool. I mean, as you can see, it's not cleaned. It was basically just filled up, like that day or the day before. So he loves water. So he jumped right in there. I mean, he's filthy anyway from playing with my dogs in the backyard, because the yard was just wrecked from construction. So you can see on his back, he's got dirt on his back. But he saw the water and he just went right in. Like thanks for putting this pool in for me. He's a good boy. So my title is First in Wins, because I didn't really know what to put the title as. Yeah. So that was a really quick one. And I don't know, I'm not sure if I really like that background for that picture, but it is what it is for now. So I will see you in the next video.